Hello students, in maths our fifth lesson is decimal forms. Length of a pencil is 6 centimeter and 7 millimeter. Length of a pencil is 6 centimeter and 7 millimeter. In millimeter we can say that 67 millimeter. In millimeter we can say that 67 millimeter. You already know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter we can write as 1 by 10. 1 millimeter we can write as 1 by 10. How can we write 7 millimeter? 7 millimeter we can write 7 by 10. 1 millimeter we can write as 1 by 10 and 7 millimeter we can write as 7 by 10. Is it clear now? So 6 centimeter 7 millimeter. How can we write that in fraction? 7 by 10. 6 centimeter 7 millimeter. This we can write in fraction 7 by 10. Its decimal form 6.7 centimeter. In decimal form we can write 6.7 centimeter. This is the decimal form of 7 by 10 or 6 centimeter 7 millimeter. Is it clear now? Okay, look at the next one. How can we write this? 7 centimeter 9 millimeter. How can we write this? In fraction we can write 7 9 by 10. In fraction we can write 7 9 by 10. So its decimal form 7.9 centimeter. Its decimal form is 7.9 centimeter. Look at the next one. You can see here 4 millimeter. How can we write this? Centimeter is not given, so 4 millimeter. How can we write? So its fraction 4 by 10. In decimal form 0.4. 4 by 10 we can write as 0.4 centimeter. Let us see how can we write 1 meter 13 centimeter in decimal form. So here in fraction we can write, you already know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we should write down 100. So its fraction 113 by 100. In fraction we can write 113 by 100. So its decimal form 1.13 meter. Its decimal form 1.13 meter. Look at the next one. 3 meter 45 centimeter. How can we write this in fraction? 345 by 100. 3 meter 45 centimeter. We can write in fraction 345 by 100. So its decimal form 3.45 meter. Is it clear now? centimeter. How can we write this? Its fraction 34 centimeter we can write 34 by 100. Its decimal form 0.34 meter. Look at the next one. Length of a table is 1 meter, 12 centimeter and 4 millimeter. How can we write this? 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter in millimeter we can write 120 millimeter. With 4 millimeter more we can write 120 plus 4, 124 millimeter. So its fraction we can write 124 by 1000. Millimeter in meter we should write here 1000. So 104 by 1000. So its decimal form 1.124 meter. Decimal form 1.124 meter. Look at the next one. How can we write this? 324 by 1000. 324 by 1000. So its fraction, its decimal form 5.324. 5.324 meter. Is it clear now? Look at the next one. Here you can see 1 gram is 1 by 1000 of kilogram. 1 gram is 1 by 1000 of kilogram. So its fraction we should write 315 by 1000. 5 kilogram 315 in fraction we can write 315 by 1000. Its decimal form 5.315 kilogram. Decimal form 5.315 kilogram. Look at the next one. 1 milliliter is 1 by 1000 of liter. 1 milliliter is 1 by 1000 of liter. So 3 liter 750 milliliter we can write in fraction 750 by 1000. So in decimal form 3.750 liter. 3.750 liter. Is it clear now? Okay. Let us see how can we write the decimal form in fraction, means in reverse. How can we write that? You can see here decimal form of a numbers. So here 1.45 meter. So this we can write in fraction 145 by 100. 145 by 100. And the next one 450 by 1000. 5.450 liter we can write in fraction. In reverse we can write 450 by 1000. Look at the next one. How can we write this? There is no number here, so 425 by 1000. So this is the fraction of 0.425 kilogram. So in gram we can say 425 gram. This we can say in gram 425 grams. Is it clear now? Let us know the place value of decimal numbers. Look at here. You can see here 247.3. So what is the place value of 2? 2 is in the place of hundreds, 4 is in the place of tens, 7 is in the place of ones. And after dot, next number place value is 1 by 10. So this we can write 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 7 into 1 plus 3 into 1 by 10. 2 into 100, 4 into 10, 7 into 1, 3 into 1 by 10. Look at the next one. Here its place value 1 by 100. 2 into 100. Here 2 is in the place of hundreds, 4 is in the place of tens. So 4 into 10. And the next number 7 is in the place of ones. Here 3 is in the place of place value is 1 by 10. And the next number 5 into 1 by 100. Is it clear now? Like this we can split the numbers. This is the place value of decimal numbers. You can see here some fractions. You can see here some fractions. 300 by 1000, 30 by 100, 3 by 10. It means 300 by 1000 we can write as 30 by 100 and 3 by 10. Is it clear now? Its decimal form 0.300. Here first one 0.300 and the next one 0.30 and the next one 3 by 10 0.3. But the value of this decimal forms same. Is it clear now? Value of this decimal forms same. Let us see how can we add the decimal numbers. You can see here 4.5 centimeter plus 2.3 centimeter. So this one we can write 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 2 6. So 6.8 centimeter. Is it clear now? Let's see how can we subtract the decimal numbers. You can see here 12.4 centimeter minus 3.2 centimeter. So first we have to minus 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 12 minus 3 is 9. We have to put dot here. So here 9.2 centimeter. 12.4 centimeter minus 3.2 centimeter is 9.2 centimeter. You can see here some decimal numbers. So 11.4, 11.45, 11.04, 11.48. Which is the largest number? Largest decimal number. Here 11.4 means 11.40. So here next number is greater than 11.40. Next number 11.04. It is the small number, small decimal number. Last one 11.48. So which is the largest here? 11.48 is the largest. Largest decimal number is 11.48 and the smallest decimal number is 11.04. Is it clear now? Okay students, notes and homework will send you in WhatsApp. Next chapter we will discuss in next class.